So Tesla has come up with a model diecast for every vehicle they have. We have the S, we have the X, we have the 3, we have the Roadster, and we even have the Semi. But the Y was missing, and now we know why. It's because they didn't make it. But we have one today, so let's check it out. So today we're gonna be unboxing and showing you guys the Model Y diecast. So of course we did get this in the white. We had to. We wanted to match some of our vehicles as best we could, and that was how we did it. But they do offer this in several other colors, so you can try to find the color that most closely resembles your build. This would be a pretty awesome Christmas present too. So if you have anybody that you know that's a Tesla owner, but these are directly off Tesla's website, so I'll go ahead and link all that down below as well in case you want to check them out for yourself. But you can see here, Tesla. Model Y diecast, 1/18 scale. So let's just go ahead and get it opened here. It is nice that they actually did transition into this paper to hold it instead of the foam that some of the original ones were in, like the S and the X. Those were actually in foam, which was really kind of annoying. You got these two little straps. Oh, well, it's kind of anticlimactic. I love how there's just like a tissue, and this has been on top of like pretty much every single one. There's just like a tissue on top to protect it. Feels like a tissue, looks like a tissue. It's probably a tissue. We finally have the Model Y to join the bunch here. Now, one thing I'm seeing right off the bat that we need to take care of. This has black trim to resemble the Model Y, which has black trim. Model Y, fun fact, never had chrome. Right here, we have the Model S, chrome. Right here, we have the Model X, chrome. And then the Model 3 has chrome, has since been blacked out as well. A Roadster doesn't have any trim, and also doesn't really exist yet either. All of the openings here have a little clear sticker on them, which is not something we've experienced previously. And that's just to hold things closed. So you have these little clear stickers everywhere. Now that we have those stickers off, we can go ahead and open the frunk. Although this one didn't come with the little like black tool. I just knocked it on the floor. So it did come with the black tool actually. Right here, to open everything. And actually it looks like they changed it a little bit. It's a suction cup. So previously there was like a little like black spudger. And now you have this. It looks like a little suction cup. You just like that, because that looks cool. I mean, it works, I guess, but it does look kind of odd. But you can actually open it. The Model 3 frunk actually did have like carpet in it, so that's actually kind of cool. This one doesn't. But other than that, you can open all the doors and even just like the little things. Oh, that one did say Model 3 too, but this has like a Model Y right there. Can't open this door, so we're gonna use our little suction cup. Right, like that. And then the trunk here. Trunk doesn't want to stay open, but oh well. It's like carpeted, that's really cool. They even got all the definition down to the rear seat buttons right in here. That's also unique. I really like it. And this will add to our collection. So now we can actually have sexy. S, 3, X, and Y. So the sexy is now complete. And actually like turning the steering wheel, check this out. It does turn the wheels. It's the little details like that I really, really enjoy. The screen looks great. The other thing I just noticed too is the S and the X that we have are the old variant with the vertical screen. So maybe Tesla will refresh those. But the website does say these are actually made using 3D CAD data to make sure that everything is accurate in terms of looking as much like the OEM car that you can actually buy. It features 180 plus metal and plastic parts, detailed interior, functioning doors, front trunk and rear liftgate, panoramic glass roof, rubber tires, steerable wheels, carpeted trunk and interior, seatbelts made of fabric with buckle details. But yeah, that's actually it for this one. Quick video, just wanted to show you guys the new 2023 Model Y diecast. I know a lot of you guys have been wanting this for a very long time because they came out with the 3, the S, and the X a long time ago. And we were due for one of these, to be honest. Let me know down below, is this something you guys are gonna get either for yourself or a Tesla owner or a Tesla fan that you know? And let me know down in the comment section below and we can kind of talk about it down there. But that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you're looking to accessorize your Tesla Model S, X, 3, or Y, definitely check them out. I'll link down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. But definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.